should I really do Salesforce certification? Earn $92,000 every time if you do Salesforce certification. Yes, you heard it right. You need to do the Salesforce certification in order to get a good chance in Salesforce, get a good salary package in your career. If you want to learn, if you want to make a career in one technology, you should do the certification course if the certification course is provided by the provider. So if you do the certification course, then you will be prompt in that condition. The employer will hire you by seeing that you have that much of knowledge, you have plenty much of knowledge available with you. So I will definitely tell you that if you want to do Salesforce certification, then this certification will not go to vain. This will be helpful to enhance your career. This will be helpful to get a good job, get a good package in your career. So how many kind of Salesforce certification courses are there? Let me guide you. In Salesforce, there are popularly 5 kind of certification available. One is Certified Salesforce Platform Developer, Salesforce Developer, Certified Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce Platform App Builder, and Certified Salesforce Platform Developer is the final one. So now you have decided that you will do Salesforce certification. Now the question comes that how much is the certification course fees is all about, how much is the certification is all about. Now the certification generally varies, generally starts from $200. If you want to do retake, means if you have failed in any kind of certification, you can reappear the exam by giving one more $100 extra. So you can do the certification course at the help of $200. You can retake it by $100, and the price vary from different certification. Let me tell you detailing about that. You can see other courses, other certification are also available. Price increasing gradually, retake also increasing gradually. You can pause the screen and you can take out the information necessary for you. So let me tell you, Salesforce is the #1 CRM tool available worldwide. It is the #1 since last 2 decades, means 20 years, and I have self-analyzed that there is a great 30% increase in every time in every year in Salesforce. If you want to do your career in Salesforce, if you are focused to do your career in Salesforce, then I will bet to say that you do your certification. This will be helpful in your career. Now if you will ask me how can I appear the test, there are 2 methods. One is online with the camera on, background clear. Then the second one is available, you need to go to physical test center. You just sit there, you just do the examination. That kind of examination you already done previously. So in these 2 methods you can appear the examination. The examination is multiple choice question answer, and somehow a little much description you need to put in order to answer the question. So this simple is the certification is all about, but you need to understand that you have to learn the Salesforce completely in order to give the certification. If you want any kind of thing, any kind of help in learning environment, then I am a trainer in Salesforce. You can take my help also. If you want administration, if you want any help in your certification program, then also I am there. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to do any certification of Salesforce, if you want a career in Salesforce. I will definitely eagerly guide you for that. So on the final term, I hope that this video is helpful for you. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.